Hello, welcome back to another episode on Wizzy Life. Thanks to all of you and those of you who have subscribed, shared my videos, commented on them. I really appreciate you all. Thanks so much. God bless you. And today we have a problem in the house or an issue that somebody is facing in his marriage, and we are here to listen to it, decode it, analyze it, and give our honest opinions. And let's go straight into today's business. Let's go. So Wizzy Life, good morning. Please, I need an advice on this situation that has been bothering me for some time now. I have kept this to myself for months now because I don't trust anyone enough to share with. So this should tell you that you can trust us. Wizzy Life, you can trust us. For that one, it is assured. Alright? Please keep me anonymous. Obviously, your identity wouldn't be revealed on Wizzy Life. I went to the beach last year, December, to clear my mind on some few junks. Later did I know that was going to be the beginning of my messy life. I love reading, so I took a book along to get myself relaxed. Upon arrival, I went to sit at one of the restaurants at the beach. I was served by one handsome guy. To be honest, the guy was so fine that I forgot I'm a married woman. That's the effect of handsomeness. When the person is handsome, you begin to lose your senses in a way. That's just by the way. Apparently, he was also admiring me. Truthfully speaking, I'm also beautiful, Sha. After ordering for some juice and small chops, I decided to get myself engrossed with the book I took along. Few hours later, I felt a tap on my shoulder, only to turn around to get my eyes locked with the waiter. Your eyes were locked up with the waiter. Okay. Let's move on. He was like, "Madam, please, it's getting late. Won't you go home? It concern you. It not concern you. The lady or the woman is enjoying the breeze, natural breeze, not air condition. Natural breeze. You want sakam? We know they do so. Can you imagine? I started fumbling with my response. That was how I knew I was catching feelings with this guy. You are catching feelings for him? Catching feelings for him? The waiter? Are you a goalkeeper? Are you Olele? Are you Onana? Are you Onana? Or Richidofori? Thankfully, I finally found my voice and told him I was about leaving, but he should direct me to the washroom. He opted to take me there, with which I agreed. The moment we entered, I started kissing the guy like a stuffed lion, but I later came back to my senses and apologized to him. I stuffed the lion? That's huge. Is it one of the lions that came from Daniel's den in the Bible? Stop the lion. And apologize to him. Wizzy, since that day, I haven't been able to get the guy off my mind, to the extent that my husband disgusts me. Wow. But I say, you see your husband, no, then you vex. You see your husband, no, then you vex. Wow. I'm planning on keeping this guy because I have enough money to take care of him. Ooh. You have money? And you want to take care of another man? Wow. Are you working in the ministries? Are you working with... Let me be quiet. But I'm scared he may leave me later when he finds another pretty girl. I'm 37 years and my husband is 45. Please don't judge me because I'm being sexually and emotionally stabbed in my marriage. Wow. I just want to know how to keep this guy all to myself. I'll be reading the comments. Wow, interesting. Well, viewers, this is what we have on our table to digest and to discuss why this happened, why the lady is trying to keep another man, another guy who is a waiter for herself, even though she is a married woman. So my first question is for you as a lady or as a married woman is, have you asked yourself why you are being stabbed emotionally, why you are being stabbed sexually? Because you should know the reason. Perhaps you may think the man is the problem or the man is the one stabbing you, but under the carpet might be your own problems, or the problems are coming from you. The reason why you are being stabbed may be from you yourself. So you should ask why. You should sit down with your husband and ask him why he doesn't come close to you, probably when he comes back from work, if he's working, or why doesn't he touch you when you guys are together. You see, when you ask questions, you begin to understand the reasons for somebody's actions. And if you don't ask, you may just conclude by your own reasons, or you conclude, or you come to a cataclysmic conclusion that this is the main reason why I missed out. But you should ask, talk to your husband, open up, honest communication, babe. Oh, you be like this day, you see, rain no dey follow. Talk to him, talk to your husband. Why are you starving me? I'm your wife. Why are you starving me? I shouldn't be starved. Then he will also explain to you why. But for all you know, you are the one starving him also. You are the one starving him also. Yeah. And like you said earlier, you are a married woman, and I don't think it's best for a healthy marriage when a partner looks out for another person in her life or his life. Because like you are saying, you should foresee the potential consequences when you try to go along with this waiter and flirt around, try to be his favorite girl. And in as much as you are trying to be the man's lady, or you are trying to keep him to yourself, you may be causing havoc to your marriage, because you are a married woman. You are a married woman, and for that matter, going out with another person outside your marriage is not healthy. So please kindly look at the consequences that are involved when you embark on this journey. Moreover, you were saying you are ready to take care of the man because you have money. Alright, everybody likes money. I like money. Viewers like money. You also like money. But truth be told, money cannot be the sole basis or reason why you build your relationship on, if I'm making sense. Because relationship or marriage is love, trust, honesty, and all those things. Money is part of relationship and marriage, but you cannot say you have money so you want to keep this waiter on the other side. Meanwhile, you are a married woman. No. I don't think it's the best way, because what happens when the money is not there anymore? People will also have another opinion that, oh, money is everything. I can take care of him even when he's traveling outside the country. I can buy him gifts and he'll be happy, and therefore he wouldn't look elsewhere. No, money is not the only reasons why we fall in love with people. Money will not be the main reason. No, we don't build friendship and relationship around money. You cannot also have the man to yourself, because he will eventually also leave you. He will leave because he will get to know that you are a married woman. Yeah, that you are a married woman. So guys, please drop your comments in the section below what your thoughts are, what you think the lady should do, some of the steps she should take in order to prevent her from embarking on this unhealthy journey so that marriage can be successful. Please drop them there, drop them in the comment section. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, share and like, and moreover hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get our video whenever we upload, and I think we will all benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.